Turn around. Okay, I don't think Mango looks like she's...
Why would you do that?
What is that?
It's a raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it doing?
That's your cat.
Oh. She's happy for me. She's happy for me. Look, she's happy.
I owed him up.
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face.
Oh, don't eat the cat. Don't eat the cat.
The cat a kiss? Don't be...
Wow.
Whoa.
Kissy. Kissy. Sasha, what are you What happened?
Wholesome.